Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix no internet secured problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11 fix. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter. Your PC will be restarted. In this option, click on reset now. If you receive a new command prompt notification window, click on yes. Click on close in the next window, close, and to apply the change, go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your Windows. If you receive this prompt notification, you can select any option depend of your privacy. In this case, I select no, and you can try connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and your problem has been fixed after reboot. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to help you in this tutorial and see you in the next video. Goodbye.